Welcome, I'm Raquel Schroeder, broker and owner of East Park Realty. Today, I invite you to take a tour of 1803 Charles Court, located in St. Cloud, Florida. What makes this property different and not like the others is the entire community is located on Lake Lizzie. If you own a property in this neighborhood, you have deeded access to the private boat ramp, private dock, and nature trail. Along with the other features of this home, you have a newer roof, newer AC, salt water pool, equipped with a 100-gallon gas tank, perfect to hook up to the heater. Enjoy the spa, the pool, and the beautiful backyard. A few of the other features I think you're going to love in this home is you have a 3-car garage. One of the garages has an apartment above it, so you can make that space a flex space, theater, playroom for the kids, or a home office. Take time today to give me a call. Thank you.